Food is necessary for every living organism. Food provides us various components like protein, vitamin, carbohydrate, fats, and other minerals. These components of food are called nutrients. When we eat food, these nutrients get absorbed in our body and help us to grow, provides energy, and helps in repairing the damaged part of the body. The process of taking in the food and utilizing food substance by the body is called nutrition. There are two main modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition, and second, heterotrophic nutrition. The organisms that can feed themselves or can prepare their own food are called autotrophs or producers, and this mode of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Whereas some living organisms directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. Such living organisms are called heterotrophs or consumers, and the mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. There are some more modes of nutrition that I want to tell you about. Come with me. See what I found here. A loaf of bread. But it is stale. See the grey patch on this bread? This grey patch is fungi. Fungi is non-green plants that take nutrition from dead and decaying things. These types of organisms are called saprotrophs, and this mode of nutrition is called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Come, I have more to show you. Look at this green thing on the rocks. They are lichens. Algae, autotroph, and fungus, saprotroph, are together called as lichens. The fungus supplies water and mineral to the cells of alga, while alga supplies food to the fungus. Such type of mutual relationship is called symbiosis. So, this was all about the nutrition and its types. See you soon, friends.
Thanks for watching Koolguru. So till then guys, keep learning. Make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel Koolguru, and hit that notification bell for more such interesting videos.